In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the idea of, listen, don't reinvent the wheel. You don't have to do all that stuff yourself. Just use my share code. You may be like me and have a limited time in your schedule. So you don't have time to go out and build a web page, write an email series, or even build a funnel of capture page, landing page, upgrade page, signups. You don't have to get caught up in all that stuff. So don't reinvent the wheel. Use my share code instead. You ought to be saying that to people in your organization. I'm saying it to you. Your leaders should be saying it to their people. It goes on and on and on. One of the things we've done inside of Ingreso Cybernetico is to create a model where all things can communicate with each other. They can communicate with each other in a way where I can take one little thing that I'm doing and click on share code, and it gives you a number so you can import it into yours. And guess what happens? It gives you the ability to get the identical thing. Only thing you might have to change, if anything, would be if your name's written on it. But guess what's cool about when you import share codes with us? It updates the sign-up page so that it matches yours. It updates the redirect page so that it matches yours. What do you mean, Dwayne? Well, I mean that if someone has a funnel that works where new people are joining them, when you import it into your account, it will actually be coded for your sign-up account, so they're signing up under you. That's how it works. So it's about leverage. So let's go through just some basic principles. And you got to learn to leverage the work of others, and you have to learn to leverage things that already happen without the effort. Effort's important, work is important. But when you can reduce it and get more creativity and get more strategy involved and have a balance of work and strategy, creativity, the sky's the limit. So we learn to leverage. It wasn't it Archimedes that said, if you give me a prop long enough and a boulder strong enough, I could single-handedly move the entire world. There are things about leverage that makes all the world different. Do you understand that's what's happening when a person floats? Another principle that Archimedes brought into play was this thing of buoyancy. It basically said, don't be intimidated by water. If you can displace the same amount of water that you weigh in a horizontal fashion, you or any object will float. Displace the exact same amount of water, and no longer will you have that weight on the water. You actually begin to float. That's just that's the mentioning, the leverage. Leverage the work of the ocean. Leverage the work of the swimming pool. Leverage your team. If you got upline that already have pages going, ask them for the share code. If you like one that I built a lot of pages inside of our system. I do a lot of things related to that. If you ever see one you like, go to support and ask for the share code. I'll gladly share it with you, right? So there's a bunch of things you can do. I just want you to get this concept down and understand at least the first principle. You know, it's a simple and easy thing to do. Let's take a look together. I want to take a good look at the pages, for example, that I'm using right now for this specific video. It's right here. As I look at this page, I'm putting together the funnel. It's created in a way to teach people more about what we have as a company. And if someone emailed and asked me to share it with them, I wouldn't panic. So this one is, don't reinvent the wheel. Use my share code instead. What's interesting about this is the video is not even created yet. I'm making it talking to you, but I always create pages in advance. I quickly just duplicate a page, right? And then I'm done. Like in this case, I see it says copy, right? Watch what I do. Call this 6, boom. Then I save name, boom. Name is saved. Now, so let's say if I wanted to use a share code for you, what would I do? Well, it's pretty simple. I would literally just refresh the page, see video series 6, and I would go and say, share. I would grab the code. I'd say, look, okay, no problem. And then I would have support team send that to you. All you would do is go under my pages, go to import pages, and you would paste it in and click import. Then you would have it. What? Yes, that's how it works. What if it was an autoresponder campaign, right? Same thing, right? You can literally go to the autoresponder system and you could import a campaign. I can go to email broadcasts. I could do these forums. I could do all kinds of things, but I can import. What else can you import? It could be that you have a membership campaign. specific memberships that you've created. You can literally go to the membership, right? Go to it, list it. Oh, never mind. There it is. Import a course. When I go to import a course, I take the code, import, and submit. Ta-da! Already done. How far does this go, Dwayne? As far as you want. I could go to funnels, right? Go to my funnels, import funnel. Take the share code, import a funnel that someone else has made, paste it, bada bing, bada bang, and voila. It's simple. Anyone can do it. So, if this whole idea of leverage is correct, and things work the way you're saying it does, Dwayne, it would be foolish for me not to participate and get moving now. I agree with you. Therefore, I'm going to tell you something. One of the things that you want to do is certainly take a good look. And remember, it's simple, anyone can do it. But you have to learn to leverage the work of others, the work of systems, and things that are already in place. That's what we're doing for you here. You see, we're not here to tell you, come pay Bitcoin. And no one else, guess what? We have nothing to give you, but just pay it and get someone else to do it. No, we are plugging you into systems, tools, resources, so that you're not left alone. We're not just doing that. We're scheduling you for coaching sessions so we can help you get set up. We know the world's become very distant, right, anymore. Once you sign up for something, people ignore you. We are changing the game. We want to involve you. Allow us. So let's do this together. Take a look at my screen, and you'll see the upgrade button. Log into your account. Look in the bottom of the page you're on right now, and click on the red button that says, yes, I want to upgrade now. Click on the button. Let me help you. Go to the upgrade button when you get inside, and then you'll see select a package. Once you see select a package, you just go ahead and select it. The sky's the limit. We've got our stuff plugged in for you. If you get a minimum of the 0.03 level, you're going to have pages, smart products, autoresponder with up to 8,000 subscribers. You got a lot of things at that level. You go even higher. You go to the director level, you're going to actually have funnels. You get up to the vice president level. I mean, the sky is the limit. You can go really far. Go as high as you can. Whatever level you can get started on, get started. And when I tell you that, it's a simple thing of go ahead and see that QR code. Go ahead and use your wallet address from your phone and click it, right? Take a picture of it. Or copy the number and send the Bitcoin to the system. And once you do that, just wait 30 seconds and then click activate. Once you activate, it's already good for you. You're set. So here's what I tell you. Get started. I'm looking forward to working with you. My team is on standby waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Let's make this year your best year ever. Side by side, arm in arm, working with the team and the company instead of working against them. This is Dwayne Golden. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Take care.